Hello, Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to a new special phrase of the day episode from Linguamid. In each episode, I introduce one daily use phrase in both modern standard Arabic and also in Egyptian Arabic. Before I dive into today's phrase, don't forget to check my first comment and enroll for 100% free in my online course Egyptian Arabic 101. It's designed for complete beginner and aims to give you the foundation that you need in order to start learning the Egyptian Arabic dialect. And also don't forget to like and subscribe to this video and subscribe to the channel, and also don't forget to share this video if you found it useful.
بس لو جت منك هتبقى جميلة في رقبتي.
جميلة في رقبتي. It means in Egyptian a big favor that's tied to my neck. So you usually say جميلة, which is the favor, and في رقبتي, in my neck. And جميلة في رقبتي, it's like when you say I owe you big deal or owe you big time. The equivalent to جميلة في رقبتي in modern standard Arabic is دين في عنقي. دين is debt, okay, debt. And في عنقي is in my neck or to my neck, okay. عنق is neck. So دين في عنقي. So we say in Egyptian جميلة في رقبتي, but in modern standard Arabic you say دين في عنقي.
بس لو جت منك هتبقى جميلة في رقبتي.
Did you find the phrase easy? Tell me in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the Egyptian Arabic 101 course. Enrollment in the comment section below.